So today we are working on lesson 10. There's plenty of lessons. Most likely we won't be able to finish them all, but that's fine, as much as we can do, because second semester I'm not planning to continue with it. So let's see how many more lessons we have. In total we have 28. So 2 more weeks times 2, 14 minus 4, 10, minus 2. Wow, we only have 8 days of full days, and then 10 plus, yeah, we definitely can't finish it, because the goal was to ask to design a game, which is unlikely. That's fine, as far as we can go. All right, lesson 10. So we're going to complete the whole lesson because text is easy. So I'll start with the very first prediction. Now, looking at this line of code, text hello, and then 2 numbers, text everyone, and then 2 numbers. So what is your prediction when I run this? So what can you tell me by looking at these 2? So what can these 2 numbers possibly mean? That's the question. So it is your job to make the prediction. So I'm going to move to task 2. Okay, let's see if you guys are capable of predicting it, because you should be able to do it, because we've done so much. All right, task number 2. So you can put text anywhere you'd like on the screen using text block. Read the documentation by clicking on the block in the toolbox. Okay, so which toolbox, which documentation is talking about? When you guys roll over your, let me see where's the text? Yeah, so you see, if you roll over the text, it shows you the documentation here. You see, this is the documentation. So you could go click on here and then open a new site. It would give you plenty of information on how to use the text. Of course, if you guys like to read documentations from experience, my experience, a lot of people don't read documentation, and then they say, I don't get it. So those who read the documentation, they're actually able to complete the task. Not only school-related tasks, job-related tasks. You know, you are, let's say, software developer. You don't know everything, guys. There's no way you can know everything. You know, every single IT department personnel, there are a bunch of things they don't know. But what they have, what ability they have, what makes them complete the task is their ability to read the documentation. Just pull out the documentation related to your concern and just read it. You can definitely find the solution. In fact, you know, these days ChatGPT is very popular, but the problem is using ChatGPT is not enough. Knowing it is not enough. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're still illiterate. You understand? So you need to understand what you're searching for, how you're searching for, what is the keywords. Okay, that is important. That's what a lot of people won't be able to do. So don't rely on ChatGPT, guys. Now, okay, so change the display text. Let's run this and see. So this is the display text. Change it. Okay, let's change it to, let's say, hey you. There, hey you. Add another sentence, different part of the screen. So what we can do is pull out the text. You see text? Just type, hi world, I am programming now, and Kevin, what are you doing? Just random stuff. And then let's locate this somewhere in here. So if you point with your mouse pointer, you see here it shows the coordinates. Look, I'm pointing here, and then the coordinates tells me it's 148 and 289. I'm going to round it to the closest 10. So what's the closest 10 for 148? Yeah, 150. So we're going to do 150, and then let's do 310. 310. So that's just to display the text. You see, the text is displayed. So this coordinate is the starting point of your text. If it's a sentence, it's the first letter where it's going to be put. All right. So this is the coordinates of, so these two numbers are coordinates of the beginning of your sentence, wherever it should begin. It's right here. You see 150 and 310. That was task number 2. To task number 3, text size. So text size is a property of the text. You know, we can change the size, we can change the location, we can change the color. All of those are considered to be the properties. And then obviously your text would be under drawing. So let's run this and then see. You see small, medium, large. Now this is small, this is a medium, large are not exactly how they're supposed to be, right? So medium should be medium size, large should be large size. So we can fix that. So run the code, add the code to make word large the biggest. Okay, now look, let's look here. So background, I have text size 20 for the small. So text size should be above the text, just before the text, so that your text take that size. Okay, so look, text size is 20. I think we need to add some space here. So let's add some space so we can differentiate each of those. No, it's here. Like that. Like that. All right. So you see, I separated those. Text size 20 for small, text size 40 for medium, and then text size probably 60 for large, but we're missing text size. So it would be on the drawing. We need to locate that text size. Here we put it just before the text, and then set it greater than the medium size. The medium size is 40. We set the large size to be, let's make it 70 or 60 would work too. Okay, reset, run, and you see small, medium, large. Let's try something much bigger. Let's try 100. Yes. Let's try 200. There we go. I guess 100 is good enough. 100. There. Okay. That's all we do in this task. Click on finish and complete it. That was task 3. Let's move on to task number 4 because we have plenty of stuff on 6 and 7. Okay, so practice. Let's do all of them. Choose the following activities. Let's do all of them, guys. Okay, so debug berry greeting, debug flying riddle, and then add text score. So let's start with berry greeting. So we need to change the order of the lines. Okay, apparently, you see, my text appears before the behind the strawberry. So you need to move to the front of the strawberry. And as you can see, these numbers, they make difference. This is the order of their appearance from back towards to the front. So you kind of look at these numbers like pages, okay? So this page is on the very back, and then you put 2 on top and 3 and 4. So you're piling up all the scripts. So they run in that order. That's why we need to rearrange strawberry with the text. So I think here, what we're gonna do, you see, fill yellow, text, and then text size that. It should be, we should move this whole thing under the under this group of scripts. Why? Because this group makes the strawberry. Look, we have white spots, and then we have black ellipses. Isn't that the case? Light blink. white and black. Why it says black? It is red. That's my question. Let me try to change it to green. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Huh. All right. Hold on. Let's keep it black. I think I know what we're supposed to do. What color was it? It was black, right? Was it white? This is white. That was black. Okay. So I made a mistake. I need to read the instructions because sometimes you can't know what they. Look at the picture here. You see these eyes? So the strawberry has supposed to have eyes, right? You know why we don't see those eyes? Because they are behind the strawberry. But where is my strawberry? I don't see strawberry here. Oh, actually here. It's strawberry is actually animation. I thought strawberry was made using small objects because, you know, we can reconstruct the object or we can use the ready animation. So this is a ready animation, one animation. All right. That makes sense now. So what we can do here is we move this draw up here. You know why? Because I need to see the animation first, and then eyes should come after that. But now I don't see the strawberry. You know why? Because the background is covering it up. So where should I move my background? To the very top, maybe? Right? There we go. Does it make sense? So this is the order of, again, look at each number like a page. So when you put what second number comes, it's going to be on top of the previous page. All right. If your small object is behind a bigger object, obviously the big object will be covering the small, so you won't see it. So you need to replace them. Okay, rearrange them, reorder them. Now in this order, you're going to see the strawberry with eyes. Okay, so again, this draw was here. So let me fix the mistake. So you see these lines were on top of the, actually the strawberry is behind the lines. But in here it says strawberry is in front of the lines are behind the strawberry, right? In that case, we need to move this draw after we actually make the, so we first make the lines, only then we're gonna draw the sprite. In that case, the sprite appears in front of the lines. So you see it's behind now, we run this and then it comes up to the front of the lines. Because the lines were made first, only then I draw the line, the sprite. Okay. Moving on to task, the next challenge. There are two more. So debug flying riddle. For the riddle, all right. Seems like the code is broken. So run the code and see error message. So let's read the message. Line 24. You see, it tells you which line is the mistake. Unexpected token. So you see text A, garbage truck. So what is wrong here, guys? What's the problem here? Who's going to tell me? By looking at this line. Yeah, it's missing the quotes, right? Quotation marks. Quotes. And we put one here. It should be fine now. Reset, run. There we go. That's all? Yeah, very simple mistake. It was just, so line 24, well, actually 22 was missing the quotes. So text has to be in the quotes. Here, wait, Yadira. There. So this, we fixed that, 24. Okay. So finish. And the last one, let's see what we have on the last task. Add text score. So image of the game is missing score. You see scores, red score 3, blue score 4. So we need to add those. You see, we need to add score and score in here. Red score, blue score. So add text to the scene that it matches this scene in the picture. So here. So I'm gonna have a text which is on the drawing, right? Scroll down. Find the text and then put it, let's say here, after the draw sprites. And then what's going to be the first text? It's going to be red score column 3. So red score and 3. And then for coordinates, we have to locate it right here. So what are the coordinates for that location? It's x10 and y10. So x10 and then y is 10. Run it. And I don't see it. Where is it? Maybe we need to add a color? Right. Thank you. So text color. Where's text color? I think we can go with fill color. Do you think fill color will work? Maybe RGB? Fill color works? Okay, let's try. So fill color with white. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it worked, but my text is right there. So I need to bring it down a bit. Okay, so I need to increase Y. Let's make it 20. And then let's also add text size to it. That's way too small. Text size. So let's add text size. Let's make it maybe 20. Reset. And there it is. You see here. So we added fill white, text size 20, and then text we typed red scores. I misspelled it. Red scores 3. Location is 10, x10, and then y20. Okay, I'm gonna pause it in a bit. Let me add the second one. So instead of adding everything from scratch, guys, you know what we can do? The shortcut. We switch to show text. Look, switching to show text. Just copying the last 3 lines and just copy paste it one more time. Control C, control paste it on line 11. You see, I have them. I have another copy. All I have to do here is change the X and Y location of this text. So if it's here, the second one will be here, right? So what is the coordinate? 270. And Y is 20. So 270, the Y is 20. Reset, run, and as you can see, red scores 2, but we need to change the word red into blue because it's blue team score. Reset, and there we go. Red score, blue score. And for blue score, it is 4. Changing it to 4. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it now. Task 5. This is assessment. Okay, I can help you with the assessment. All right, so let's move on to next task. We still have plenty of time. Okay, here's a scene, but it needs text. So here. All right. You know what? Guys, we need to add 2 pieces of text on the following scene. We don't have anything here. You just can add anything. You see, alien talking to robots. So just add a text. How do we add a text? First of all, guys, be careful. Add the text after the drawing. You see the drawing sprite? But if you do it before it, your text will be covered up by other objects. That's why it has to be after the draw sprite. So what we're gonna do is take out the text. This one. So we also need text size and also need text color, fill color here. So you see these 3 things, fill, text size, and then text. So for fill, pick your color. For text size, let's make it some like 40. And then for text, you can say hi. It's the alien is greeting the robot. And then we're gonna place the text in here. So what's the coordinates? 174, 24. 174, 24. How do I know the coordinates? I pointed at it with my mouse pointer, you see, mouse pointer, and it shows me the coordinates right here. So look, 174. Well, it was 174 when I was pointing a little while ago. You know what? Yeah, like this, 174 and 24. So reset, run, and then there's your text. It's too close to the edge corner. Let's bring it down. To bring it down, I need to increase the number from 24 to maybe 30. Reset, and there's your text. Still not, let's make it 50. There we go. And then let's change this to black. Black color. There, hi. And then robot responses. So we're gonna have the same 3 blocks. So since I'll have to drag and drop them, I'm not gonna do that. I'll do the shortcut way, which is switching to show text and then just copy pasting the last 3 lines. Control C on your keyboard and then Control V. Click on show the blocks again and just change the text. So hi, and then you say hi there, right? But my text will be right here. So what's the coordinates? 284, 202. Any text. 202, 284, 202. 284, 202. Reset, and there. And that's it. So finishing it up, and there will be some challenges, guys. For challenges, I think we can maybe choose one. Right, guys? On the last one, choose one. Don't do all of them. Okay, good. Okay, just do one, but you do it on your own because I don't have time to record it. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.